quivering chiaroscuro of the unknown and the known. You walk through, you stop and walk through. Then it appears, the illusions, the oniroi, and disappears. You gasp, you stop, you walk. Through the quivering chiaroscuro of known and the unknown.
Shumon, this is the first time we are shooting where we are not there, right? What's your feeling? Shumon is hurt actually, a little bit very hurt. Wie viel kostet dieses?
3 Euro das Stück. Die Töpfchen alle 3 Euro.
Einmal.
Was wäre das?
Ja. At last our model has some break. This is your reward. I need to pee too. I want to point out I'm very hurt because after coming back to Germany I haven't been shot in a video once also, and she's taking all the footage. Model. Eita kono kotha.